Hi everybody, thank you for your willingness to pour for science. Here's some basic instructions on what you're going to be doing. Initially, when you get started, make sure that for each person, they've got their wine glasses labeled. Those labels should have their A, B, and C glass, and then there should be your initials for each person at the bottom. That's because we're going to reuse the glasses between the white and the red wines. You're going to start off, and the very first thing you're going to do is take a little bit of your white, your Rex Goliath Chardonnay. You're going to pour just a splash of this into a glass, one for every single person, and so what I just did is I swished it around my mouth like mouthwash, and I spit it out. You're not drinking that first little bit. Now, going on to the second round. Once everybody's gotten that alcohol in their mouth and kind of let it burn off, you are going to use your measuring cup, 1/4 cup. You're going to measure that out, and you're going to pour 1/4 cup into glass A. The reason why we're pouring it into glass A first is that you're going to use the height of that to estimate for all of the rest of the round. So this is all you have to do for glass A, or whichever one you choose to be the glass that has no blending. It doesn't have to be A. In fact, you're going to have your answer key here, and you're going to write on your answer key that maybe glass A is your unblended, and then to switch things up, I'm going to switch these two around. So, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to measure 1/4 cup for each person who's tasting. Measure that out. Pour it into the blender. Do not forget to put the lid on the blender, because this makes a big mess. You're going to go on your highest level for 15 seconds. Once you're done, you'll see there's some bubbles. It won't take very long for those to settle, but just give it maybe 30 seconds to a minute for those bubbles to settle. Once they have settled down, you're going to take that wine and you're going to pour it into whatever letter you designated, and it's going to be the same for every single person. In my case, glass C is going to be the blended, and imagine it was 15 seconds. And you can notice right now that I didn't wait the full minute, and it has a different color. You can see the bubbles in there. It's kind of a little cloudy. So that's why it's really important that you do wait those 15 seconds so the bubbles subside and the color is the same. You will then do that same sort of measure, 1/4 cup, pour it in, blend for 45 seconds, pour it into your final glass. Once you've done all of that, you will put them back into their ABC order and bring them out for everybody, or invite everyone to come into your prep area to pick up their glass and begin their tasting.